All right, y'all, what is good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody. You are watching Moody TV. We're not gonna take too long today. You already see the title, thumbnail. We about to unbox these Laker 4s, give our first impressions, and then I'm gonna let y'all go about y'all day. Does that sound good? All right, let's go. First things first, if we're gonna talk about the shoes, we gotta talk about the box. Now, we haven't seen it in a while, but as you can see, we got that Jordan face that is on the front of the box there. The size tag is going to read Imperial Purple, multicolor. This is in a size 12. I do have an 11.5, but I'm gonna save that because I haven't taken it out the box. I'm gonna save that as a YouTube short. So if you wanna watch that, you can. But box, basic box, you do have Jordan's face on the front. We haven't seen that in a while when it comes to Jordan shoes, so that's pretty dope. You know, gotta have the nice OG, the original, you know, type of vibes. The Jumpman logo there, it is in gray, even though the shoes are purple, all black. Outside of that, the box is very simple. Most of the action's on the front. You do have cement paper, so we have that as well. Peel that back, got an extra little bit of layer, and then boom, we have. So this sneaker has a few different names. Ultimately, they're on Nike sneakers website. They're called the Imperial Purples. We're gonna dive into them and take a closer look. But honestly, if I'm gonna look at them, first impressions, it's nice. I do see a few, like, you know, a few little scuffs or whatever that's on the suede, but you know, maybe that's something that's unpreventable. I have to open up my personal pair to see if that's gonna be the same thing across the board, but let's talk about it. So all uppers, you do have that nice purple nubuck going all across the top part of the shoe. Now, a lot of people are calling these Laker 4s because it's purple and gold. I can see that, but on the sneakers website, Nike sneakers, Nike.com, they said Imperial Purple. All right, so we have the Jumpman logo there, and it is in yellow, or kind of like a darkish orangish yellow. You be the determining factor. Flight there on underneath it. Comes with black laces, no extra laces this time around. So if you do have any extra laces laying around for any Jordan 4s, y'all let me know. What are you swapping these out with? If you are swapping these out, they come with black. Y'all let me know what you want to swap these out with. But continuing on with the sneaker, if we come to the back, we do get that Nike Air logo this time. It is in a speckled paint, like, you know, some white cement 4s. So it's speckled, but it's in that yellow that we've seen on the tongue, and then it has black speckles. All right, so it's on both sneakers there. Now, black on the webbing here, gray for the eyelids. Now, when we come to the bottoms, this is kind of like a translucent, like a grayish blue, like a bluish gray, like translucent sole, if you can see that there. The stars at the toe box or around the toe part of the shoe is gonna be black. You do have that yellowish orange Nike with the check on the bottom. Black back there. Midsole have white, but that air bubble there is gonna have a little bit of that yellow that we see all across the shoe as well. Also, another thing, these do come with a hang tag. It's not anything crazy, but the hang tag for these joints is all black with the Nike Air in yellow. All right, so outside of that, we can take a look at the insole real quick. I'll take one of the insoles out. The insole is an all yellow insole, and then the Nike Air is actually like the purplish color. So that's pretty dope there. Men's size sticker there as well. I'm a little late to the party for these sneakers in particular because for our spring break, we went on a cruise. All right, so that video is coming soon. Shameless plug, get away with the grows. If you haven't already, go ahead and check that channel out. It's where we're gonna have all of our travel videos with me and my wife. We traveled to Japan, Vietnam, all that good stuff. But you know, ultimately, I'm late to the party because they got delivered during the week on like Wednesday and Thursday, but we were not home, as you know. So now we getting this video up and out for you guys. Y'all let me know, did y'all grab these? These are super tough in my opinion. The reason why I like these for real, is because I don't know if y'all remember, but they came out with the Canyon purples, and it was like a super furry suede, but it was all purple, but it was a women's shoe. You know, if you got a big foot, you know, if they don't make the extended sizes, those sizes become expensive. So I needed size either 13 or 13.5 in women's, which is like an 11.5 in men's or 12 in men's. And those prices were like, they wanted like 400, 450, 350. It was crazy times back then, but they released something else. Hey, I will take these over those, honestly, because the colors kind of match your everyday, you know, clothing that you want to wear. You can wear all black with this, pop with a little bit of purple, and then you're pretty much good to go. All right. Also, these also resemble another sneaker. Can you take a wild guess? It's them Friends and Family Travis Scott 4s. So, them Friends and Family, you know, they've been floating, pictures been floating around the internet of those sneakers. They are very expensive because they didn't make too many pairs of them. They weren't released to the general public. So this is the best thing we got going for us right now. Y'all let me know if you are rocking these, if you're a Lakers fan, because you know, these have been nicknamed the Lakers 4s. Are you a Lakers fan out there? You putting this on with your Kobe jersey or whatever, you getting fly with these? Y'all let me know if y'all grab these in the comment section below. I ain't really want to take up too much of your time, but as always, I do appreciate y'all for watching. You can disregard all these shoes that you got that you may or may not have seen in the back. Those puppies are in the process of getting a new home. If I'm gonna put it that way, they in the process of getting a new home, all right? But all in all, Lakers 4s, Imperial Purple 4s, what do y'all think about them? Or did we grab them? Did we miss out on them? Are we still trying to catch them on the flip side for resale? Y'all let me know in the comment section. Luckily for my pair, I was able to get them from JD Sports, and JD Sports allowed me to do $20 off. So I paid $220 after tax. So I will take that. Look, I will take it. All right, but outside of that, y'all, if y'all haven't already, if you feel like it, look, I'm not gonna force nothing on you. If you feel like it, go ahead and subscribe to your boy. Look, it's like I don't really got a subscriber goal or anything like that. All I want to do is get monetized this year, help your boy out, get your boy to watch hours. You know, subscribing does help, liking the video does help, so definitely like this video. And upcoming, I don't think we're gonna do a pickup vlog, but we do have the University Blue Jordan 14s. I think 14 is one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes. So I'm looking forward to that release when that comes out. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If you're gonna be grabbing those this weekend, if looking towards getting those this weekend. But all in all, this past week has been crazy. If you haven't already, check out my last video. I unboxed the Union 1s, Wolf Gray 5s, and the Vecna foam posits real quick. And I'm gonna check out with y'all in the next video. Look, super clean colorway, simple, straight to the point. So y'all let me know how y'all feel, all right? It's your boy Moody. I appreciate y'all for checking in. I'm checking out of here, and I will end up seeing y'all in the next video, all right? Peace.